Hello friends, welcome to Machine Learning the Future course. So in the last part we have seen the various steps which are involved to actually make our review more sensible, or it will actually help our machine learning model to train well on those review sections. So steps involved initially, which we have used the substitute function to substitute anything which is not A to Z, capital A to Z and small a to Z with a space, and then we have converted everything into a lowercase, and then we have splitted our review which is a string into list. So it has involved list. Now the words are different, a list of words. And in the last section we have seen a for loop wherein we have compared each of those reviews in with a stop words which are downloaded using NLTK library, and all those English words which are involved in stop words have been matched with our reviews, and if not, the word is in the stop words, give us the word. So all those has been done over here. The for loop has been implemented properly. So the outcome of this result is that we'll get all those words in the review which are not in stop words. So suppose that stop words involves all those list of words which are irrelevant, so we'll get an outcome of all those words in the reviews which are not in stop words. So we'll actually get some relevant words. And our next step involves stemming, which is exactly about taking root of a word. I will give you an example. Now the reviews involves saying love the food, or the food is so lovely, loving the food. So loved, lovely, loving, all those having the same root word as love. So stemming is about taking the root of a word. So let's do that. So let's implement the stemming, and for that we'll be using a new variable for it. Let's import a library, as you can see. Let's do that. So from NLTK dot stem dot porter import, as you can see, porter stemmer is the name of the class, porter stemmer. Let me check whether it has, yes, so it's right, porter stemmer. And now let's create object of this class. So ps is equals to porter stemmer. Okay, and now we need to make a slight change in our for loop over here. Let's move that to next line, saying that for word in review, if not word in set of this. Now the outcome would be ps.stem and word will be the argument. So I think that's it. So we have used the porter stemmer object inside our for loop. So what we have done is we have just used the outcome of this for loop and used a ps.stem function, so that this will be stemmed, the reviews will be stemmed. So let's execute this. So I think we need to execute this first, porter stemmer, yes, and then we need to execute this, yes. So that's done from our end now. And our next step involves joining back the list of words to a string. So what we are seeing over here is a review which is list of words. We need to again join it back to a string. So review is equals to dot space dot join review. So that would do the needful. Let's execute this. And yes, so that's it. We are done with our initial steps now. And our next step will be to actually insert all of these statements into a for loop, because right now we have just used the dataset review 0th index, which is the first review over here, and we need to apply it to a full dataset, and that would be requiring to use a for loop. So that would be seen in our next part. So hope you are enjoying this video series. Thank you very much. Bye bye.